Hi, so today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the factor theorem since I had a few questions on it. So the question is 53 in chapter 3.3, and it says, use the factor theorem to show that x minus c is a factor of p of x for the given values of c. Now, to do this, we can kind of assume that if it's a factor, it will probably make it theoretically easy to make into a zero. Like if we could take it out, if we could take if we have a c equals 1, we can assume that probably x minus 1 is going to be a factor of this. But we need to double check. And the way that we can double check is by using synthetic division. So first we'll just lock in that 1. We don't need to change the sign since it's already telling us what it is. We're going to take the 1, the negative 3 from the 3x squared, the 3 from 3x, and the negative 1. And then we're going to drop that 1 down. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. 1 times 1 is 1. And that gives us a 0. Now, this is a crucial part. If it's this 0 here, then our c is equal to a 0 of our function. If we plugged in this 1, we would get 0 for our total equation. And you'll see that with things like the remainder theorem. And we'll use that a little bit more when we're finding all of the zeros and possible zeros in some of the later chapters that we'll probably be learning about pretty soon. So basically, we know that x minus 1 is a factor of our x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1, simply because our remainder is 0. And so, yeah, that would be our answer for that, basically. It's a lot more simple than it looks. It's just couching what it's actually asking you in a bunch of, like, kind of frilly math language that we kind of aren't really familiar with. But no biggie. It's not that hard to figure out if you know what you're looking for. So, yeah, and then going to the answer back in the back of the book, let's look at the format that it probably wants it in. Hold on. C, given values of C. So, for 53 in the back, let me just double check I got this right. Hold on. The answers for 53 in the back of the book are hidden. I'm actually not sure if it shows it or not. I'm not able to find it. Oh, yes, I am. So, hold on. So, yeah, don't be confused when you look in the back of the book and you find your 53, because I was confused for a moment, but I was looking in section 3.4. If you're looking at our textbook, it's like, wait, what? I don't know how to deal with this. I don't believe that there's an answer for 53 in the back of our book. But basically, yes, it's looking for this rationality. X minus 1 is a factor of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. So yeah, hopefully that answers your question. If you have any more, please let me know.